If you want to keep your car looking its best, washing is an essential step that must be done on a regular basis. However, by washing with the wrong products, techniques, or accessories, you can remove your wax protection or even create swirls and scratches, making your paint look worse instead of better. With the 2-bucket method and a few simple tips, you can wash your car properly, which will help keep it looking better both short and long term. Before you wash, make sure you're working in the shade and that the paint is cool to the touch. Then you want to select the right type of wash. You never want to use a household detergent or dish soap when washing your car, as these are degreasers and will begin to strip away polishes and waxes and promote oxidation. If you don't have a lot of dirt on your car or you don't have access to a hose, a great alternative to traditional washing is Meguiar's Ultimate Waterless Washing Wax. Just spray directly on the paint and gently wipe with a fresh, clean Meguiar Supreme Shine Microfiber towel. Then follow with a second clean microfiber, wipe dry, and then flip your towel to a clean portion for a final wipe. Make sure you don't push down too aggressively with your towel and that you are constantly flipping the towel to a clean portion so you don't create swirls by pushing dirt and debris back into the paint. When looking for a car wash, always make sure you select a premium automotive wash that is pH balanced, like Meguiar's Ultimate Washing Wax. Begin by mixing your wash solution in a clean bucket using the proper dilution ratio. Now, fill a second clean bucket with just water, and this will serve as a rinse bucket and it will help to get debris off your mitt. To further reduce the possibility of creating swirls when washing, consider using Meguiar's Grit Guard. Simply place it at the bottom of the rinse bucket. Then, each time you finish cleaning a section of the car, dunk the mitt into the rinse bucket and run it over the top of the Grit Guard. This will help to thoroughly clean the wash mitt and help remove as much dirt and debris as possible. Before you begin washing, evaluate your wheels to decide how much cleaning is necessary. If they aren't very dirty, you can wash them with your car wash and a mitt dedicated specifically for your wheels. However, if your wheels are dirty, determine what type of wheel or coating you're working with and select the appropriate wheel cleaner. Always be sure that you carefully follow the directions so that you don't damage your wheels. Next, thoroughly rinse the whole vehicle to get as much dirt off the paint as you can. Always be sure to select premium accessories when washing your car. Meguiar's highly recommends using microfiber accessories to wash and dry the paint, as microfiber removes more product quicker than cotton terry, and it's also more gentle on the paint. Using a high-quality wash mitt like Meguiar's microfiber wash mitt, begin washing and rinsing one section at a time, working from the top of the vehicle down. Be sure not to push too hard with your mitt, as the more friction you create, the more likely you are to put swirls in the paint. Also, make sure you keep your wash mitt clean at all times. Frequently submerge it in the rinse bucket and agitating it on the Grit Guard before going back to the first bucket to get more car wash solution. The cleaner you keep your mitt, the less likely to push contaminants back into your paint. Once you've washed and rinsed the whole car, you want to give the car one final rinse. Here, we suggest removing the nozzle off the hose, which will flood the paint and allow the water to flow over it. By doing this, the water will simply run off the surface and promote more of a sheeting action that will leave you with less water to dry and help to minimize water spotting. Dry off any remaining water by using a soft, absorbent drying towel like Meguiar's Water Magnet Microfiber Drying Towel. Gently dry the vehicle thoroughly and be sure to get into all the nooks and crannies like door jambs, fuel filler door, body seams, lights, and grille. If possible, you want to try to wash your car at least once a week, as this will help remove loose contaminants from the paint before they have the chance to bond to it. Washing regularly with a 2-bucket method and using the right products, techniques, and accessories will help to greatly reduce the risk of creating swirls and scratches. It will also help to preserve your wax protection and keep your paint looking its best with the most amount of shine at all times. For additional detailing tips and techniques, visit Meguiars.com.